Hello everyone, my name is Felicia and I'm with Osa Tropical Properties. I'm excited to show you this new listing located in Playa, Hermosa, just up from the town of Uvita. Come on, let me show you in the house. This charming home has 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms. It has a split floor plan, large kitchen, living room area, and a beautiful outdoor seating area, which we all enjoy here in Costa Rica. This home has an open concept from the living room to the kitchen, tons of storage, which is wonderful, and a really large island. On this side of the home, we have 2 different bedrooms. This is your primary bedroom here. Beautiful views out to the garden, out on the yard, and a seating area. Both bedrooms have air conditioning, and then you have a full-size bathroom here off the primary. Here's an additional bathroom. And then you have your secondary bedroom, which overlooks more garden area, large mango trees, and out to the front of the home. This home is gated and is very close to a main paved road, which takes you just 5 minutes to Playa Hermosa, which is the nearest beach, and Uvita, which has grocery stores, pharmacies, international schools, pretty much anything and everything you would need. The property is surrounded by jungle, even out the front and out the back. Has a very good sized outdoor living space, which overlooks this beautiful yard. And just down this hill, there's a really pretty river, which runs year round. They get a lot of wildlife here, monkeys, I just saw an agouti today, toucans, all sorts of animals. And there are several different types of fruit trees on the property. If you'd like more information on this property, please feel free to reach out to me on the link below, and in the description you can find my contact information. My email is Felicia at Osa Tropical Properties. Thank you.